Dear students, we are going to make a comparative study of sentence, phrase and clause. First question is that what is sentence? Sentence is a group of words. It has its complete meaning and each sentence has its own subject and predicate. For example, he plays is a complete sentence. He is subject, plays is predicate. Second, he plays cricket in the ground. He is subject and rest is a predicate. Third, this book is on the table is a sentence. Achieving his goal, he rejoiced is a sentence. Now come to understand what is phrase. Phrase is a group of words like sentence. But the next 2 points are different. Sentence has no complete, phrase has no complete meaning like sentence, and unlike sentence, phrase has no subject and predicate. For example, take this example. Here you have seen in the sentence that he plays cricket in the ground. It is a sentence. Remove subject and predicate. Like you remove he plays, then cricket in the ground. It is a group of words. It has not the complete meaning and it has not the subject and predicate. Now it has become cricket in the ground has become a phrase. On the table is a phrase. Achieving his goal is a phrase. Now come to clause. Clause is a group of words. This is the similar in sentence, clause and phrase. Clause has no complete meaning like phrase. And clause has its own subject and predicate. Note that each clause contains at least one subject and one finite verb which is called predicate. In one line, just understand what is finite verb. The finite verb are those verbs which changes according to subject and tense. For example, he plays, I play, they played. Here, play is continuously changing. It is called finite verb. Now, the next point. For example, to understand what is clause, just here understand. He plays, she reads. There are two simple sentences. Now, these two simple sentences has been joined by conjunction and now it has become a one sentence. He plays and she reads. These two parts, he plays, it was earlier a sentence. Now it has become a clause. He subject, plays, predicate, and second clause is she reads. It has also become a clause. See the second example. I did not attend my class. I was ill. There is a two simple sentence. Now I did not attend my class because I was ill. Here it has become one sentence. And now this former two sentences has become clause. So it is called clause is a part of sentence. It has its own subject and predicate, but it has no complete sense. Now lastly we'll just discuss that a simple sentence contains no clause. Compound sentence contains two or more coordinating clauses and complex sentence has one principal clause and two or more than two subordinate clause. The next topic, what is coordinate, principal and subordinate clause, we'll understand in next video. Thank you.